wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best electronics kits for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, Arduino is an open-source microprocessor design, and the elegoo Mega 2560 starter kit provides all the tools to build and program an Arduino-based project. Children can use it to learn the basics of electronic construction and programming, but professionals can use it too. It's a remarkably complete component set that includes a PDF tutorial with 35 lessons. However, it may overwhelm some users. At number 9, the thinkgizmos Ingenious machines for kids comes with 237 pieces that can be used to build 4 different motorized but non-programmable robots, which the manufacturer estimates should take kids 6 and up between 35 minutes and 2 hours to complete. It comes with a remote control and batteries, but the parts are somewhat flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list, with 130 experiments, the Elenco 130-in-1 Electronic Playground and Learning Center not only teaches kids electronics, but the basic principles of physics. Budding broadcasters can build their own AM radio station and an electronic organ to compose its playlist. It's equipped with a built-in speaker and an LED display and an illustrated manual. However, it may be too difficult for some teens. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electronics kits for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, electronics kits don't get any simpler than the 4M tin can robot. It comes with the parts and the instructions for turning an empty soda can into a motorized, customizable bot, using only a Phillips head screwdriver and a AA battery, not included. Recycling can be fun. This one's simple enough for an 8-year-old and comes in at a rock-bottom price, but the instructions are poorly written. Moving up our list to number 6. Essentially a computer in a rolling cylinder, the Sphero ollie app-controlled robot can zoom around rooms and parks, but it can also teach kids to code through the MacroLab app and the all-basic programming language on your Bluetooth-enabled mobile device. The battery is rechargeable via USB. However, the programming is more for older kids, and the charge only lasts for an hour. Halfway up our list at number 5. Though he may look like a stack of billiard balls, the Wonder Workshop Dash robot can sing, dance, and race around tracks. Kids can control him through his app and program him with both simple drag-and-drop instructions and more sophisticated code when they're ready. This one's appropriate for ages 6 and up and is widely used in schools. It's a good introduction to programming. At number 4, with its collection of magnetically connectable, color-coded electronic bits, the LittleBits Gizmos and Gadgets 2nd edition makes assembling buzzers, batteries, Bluetooth modules, and dimmer switches into working electronic devices intuitive, educational fun. It's easy to assemble and organize logically. However, the bits occasionally don't connect. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Electronics Discovery is a starter set for learning the basics of electrical circuitry and can be expanded later with more parts for bigger projects. Want to build a musical doorbell? A flashing police siren? This kit has you covered. It includes instructions for 100 projects and no tools are required, but batteries are not included. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electronics kits for kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the smartlab toys smart circuits aren't really toys. These are real electronic components, including a microprocessor, packaged in child-friendly colors and shapes that can be put together to build what the manufacturer says is an unlimited range of games and gadgets. It features a manual with 50 pre-designed projects and is good value for the price. However, the wiring is tricky for younger users. And coming in at number 1 on our list, with the LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox, children 7 to 12 years old can use this familiar construction system to build 5 different programmable robots, from an electronic purring cat to Vernie, a dancing, joking, flatulent android performance artist. It includes a Bluetooth app for programming and advanced sensing technology, but note there's a manual in the app, but not on paper. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electronics kits for kids, or simply click beneath this video.